Hello cake friends, in this last video of the winter I'm going to create this wonderful igloo with the little penguin inside. So I started by baking the cake in a bowl I had in the kitchen, and then at 6-inch I filled the cake, removed the crystallization, and add the bowl cake, and now I'm covering with buttercream, crumb coating. Put it in the freezer and then take it out and cover with fondant. Use a rather thick piece of fondant so you can imprint it. Now I'm using the wheel to imprint some circles. I'm not being exact. On the contrary, I want movement because I want my igloo to look very cartoonish. And now I'm going to make the ice, the pieces of ice, but as you can see, some are the same size and some I cut in the middle just to make different sizes. Now I take a bone tool and I'm imprinting in the corners to give it texture, and also in the cracks just to make it really fun like a cartoon. So I'm adding some Tylos to black and white. I'm getting the board ready with some buttercream. I cover the whole surface and now I give it a little bit of texture and bring the cake. Set it up, and then on a piece of the fondant that I added the Tylos to, I'm gonna make the little door, measure that I'm happy with the size, attach it with a little bit of water, and then seal it with some buttercream. I'm also gonna put buttercream around because it makes it a nicer presentation. It's a good finish. So now I make a teardrop with the black fondant that I added the Tylos to. I'm going to measure that it fits right, and then I'm going to give it the shape of the penguin and attach a piece of the white fondant. It doesn't matter how it looks on the bottom, a cone of orange fondant, and then I'm going to create the mouth by marking both the mouth and the white and a little bit of a smile. And this is a scarf. Just cut a stripe of the color you choose, measure that it really goes around, and now cut some little detail. Add some water, just simple water, and attach the scarf. Give it a pinch, and there he is. Now I'm fitting the penguin inside the hole. I'm creating this hat. You're gonna see in the video that I changed the hat because I didn't love this one, just the topper. So it's the same bottom, and here is the top of the hat. This is cute, and I see that my penguin is pointing down, so I'm adding a little bit of fondant to bring it up, and then I'm covering this piece of fondant with buttercream so it doesn't show. And now I'm gonna cut a square, and from the square I'm gonna cut 2 triangles, and those are the arms of my penguin. I measure. If they're too big, I go back and cut it a little bit. A little bit of water, and just attach the arm. Give it a flip so it looks like they're moving up. Now just a toothpick and a little bit of black to create the eyes, and seal the hole with some buttercream. Now I have some blue pearl dust, and I'm gonna add it to the creases and the indentations that I made to give my igloo some texture, because it was too flat or white. And I'm trying to make a cartoonish type of igloo, nothing perfect, just very fun and with a lot of movement. There you go, all around. And now I'm using white pearl dust, and yes, that's a big bucket of pearl dust that I have, because I used to use it for every wedding cake. And I don't know if it shows enough in the video, but it makes the eyes look very interesting. And now I'm creating these little balls that looks like teardrops, and I make them in every color. And once they're ready, I'm gonna roll some black. I open my fingers so that I indent these little bumps, so it doesn't look perfect, and I just attach them with water. The next one, do one by one. If it's too long, it breaks. And again, don't try to be perfect. Make some long, some short. And now let's attach the little colored light bulbs. First, let's finish with the string. And now let's attach the light bulbs. You remember the string is also made with the Tylose black. The black with the little bit of Tylose so it doesn't break. Just a little bit of water, and one by one all the little balls. Oops, if one doesn't stay, you can use some buttercream to attach it. Now I'm using some sprinkle to give it color on the bottom, so it's not too white. And I have these white sprinkles that looks like snowflakes. It doesn't show in the video, but it brings out the ice effect. So here it is, Olly the penguin. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in our next video. Thank you.